Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner. Here is my spread from last week using stickers from Together with KX along with washi from Simply Gilded, which I absolutely love. And being able to take a bit of a break from the blues of winter was really welcome. And the kit that I'm going to be using this week is from Let's Plan, and it is the Crystal kit. I love this because it's like a good transition from winter into all of the pinks that I will be using for February. Which is funny to say because I'm not normally a pink person, but if you look at like my ink collection and some of the stickers that I like, I seem to gravitate to pink. Who knew? All right, let's get started. The Tombow that I will be using today is the 772, and then I'll be using it along with my gray mild liner. And the pen that I am using is my Sailor Pro Gear Slim in Dragon Palace, and it currently has Sailor Ink Studio 123 in it because it's like purple or gray. You can't decide, but you've got purple and gray in this kit. So that is why I'm so excited to use that ink. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, sit down. Secondly, I'm already exhausted. Washi. So I am not feeling my best today. You can already hear me out of breath. I'm definitely not feeling my best. I have been sick really for the past week. So there we go. You probably wonder, why are you doing a plan with me if you're not feeling well? But this is one of the things that actually I feel like I could do to relax and to rest and for self-care. So everybody's different. Some people would find this exhausting. I find this one of the things that I can do that isn't like chores around the house, because I'm always thinking like, is laundry gonna get done? Are the kids gonna be okay if I'm sick? You know, that type of thing. I decided to do something differently this week and put this washi down here. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, but let's try it, because I normally write meals between the 1 o'clock and the 2 o'clock, so maybe I won't need to write it, and I'll just place this washi here, and then that will be for the meals underneath that. Doesn't reach all the way to the end. Then, oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Put this down. I decided I'm not going to use any of the full boxes in the spread. I have found that I actually prefer using the full boxes in the daily spread to add a bit of decoration there. So I don't use the full boxes too much in here because I do like to keep it as open as possible. So while I've got this open, I'm going to write BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner before I forget. I'm going to zoom into the sidebar here and basically work on, what do I do? In the sleep score. And again, using my Tombow dual brush pen. And I'm going to try this time around to look for the emojis that go with it. I was having a chat with somebody earlier this week saying that, you know, I'm not really an emoji person, but after seeing my spreads, but also seeing some other people's spreads using emojis, it's like they just make something like laundry so fun. And I'm like, yeah, and you could still have your spread be extremely functional. So then I'm going to go ahead and create my graph to track my sleep score. Then I'm going to use the pink again for a workout, and going in and finding another emoji. No, I've actually changed how everything is in here so it actually lies flatter rather than before everything was bursting out of this. So I was able to change it up a bit. I'm going to take this cute one here, and then with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, just brush letter in. I don't know why, but I really enjoy brush lettering that one in. So then I'm going to have to actually repeat week 3 of lift 4 because I didn't finish all of it last week. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in again. Okay, so now that I've done that, I feel like I could put something in this corner, making sure that I'm actually in frame this time because last week I was not. I always try and purchase the deco stickers. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with the different moon phases. That's not really me. Out of all the stickers, I probably won't use those. But I do love a good tree. I do love a good tree. So I'm going to probably use, oh, you know what? It doesn't even need anything else other than that. No, I'm lying. It needs taking something from the daily spreads. Now, the last time I placed an order with Let's Planet, I didn't purchase a whole kit. I just purchased the deco sheets, and I didn't even purchase the daily. Did I purchase the daily? No, I didn't. And one of the reasons was because I wanted to, okay, I guess it's going down there. I wanted to keep it really just minimal in terms of only really buy what I think I'm going to use. And while I like having all of these, at the end of the day, I prefer really just using the deco. I'm going to miss the washi strips, but it's not going to make or break me if I don't have the washi strips. Will it? Oh, I don't know. Still deciding. Okay, so I'm going to go in and start filling out the day. Oh, my nose. So first thing is doing work. Oh, that's what I'm missing, are my pencil boards that go under each. They help to just give me an even writing surface, because with this paper you can really feel the stickers on the other side of the sheet. So and go here. Oh, that's not straight. It's not my doable brush pen, it's my Fudenosuke pen. Now I'm going in to just with my fountain pen and just drawing the arrows for work. And you've noticed that I'm not doing this with a ruler, but like I said, I think maybe last week, I find that I smudge it more if I do it with a ruler. I love this color ink so much. Perfect. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is go in day to day. Henry's supposed to go back to school on that day. So I'm going to grab this and put in the blue here. And just write in quickly, Henry back to school, because he's been doing online schooling for the past week. And he actually really enjoys online school because he says he gets to be at home with mommy. Oh, made my heart melt. Then, for to do, I'm actually going to grab these. These are my to do 2.0 script stickers. Oh my gosh, I told you all about Henry going back to school. There it is. I'm going to use this for my to-do list here, but to make it just a little bit pretty, I'm going to add that. And to do. Oh, I like that combination. And then my to-do list for Monday are normally the same. I meal prep and I order groceries for pickup on the Thursday. Meal plan, not meal prep. Then Sunday, gosh, I am all over the place if I'm already thinking Tuesday is Sunday. Tuesday is garbage day, so I'm gonna find a cute emoji for garbage. I always love that. And It's a reminder, my husband is the one who does the garbages. Such cute. So cute. Okay. Then Wednesday, nothing that I can think of right off the bat. Thursday is when we pick up groceries, so I need to take these out again and find grocery emoji. There we go. And place that here because my husband is always the one who picks up the groceries at the same time, pretty much every week. It's normally between 6 and 6:30. Now I'm using the script from the kit, although I don't know whether I really like them, but I'll still use them. Friday I need to put down that I am filming. Also, I have a lot of work that I need to do for the Made in Canada Planner collab sale that's happening February 11th to 13th. So Friday afternoon for filming. See, when I'm not feeling well, I want to just shop for fountain pens and stickers. Let's do, I could use just a filming one, but I'm gonna use a Hobonichi one. And yeah, let's use a Hobonichi one for filming. So to film. And I love your guys' response to my daily journaling. Not the vlog, but the journal with me. So if you guys want me to do more of those, or if you want me to do more vlog style, let me know. I really enjoy doing that, and I loved your overall response to it, so thank you. So then Saturday, Henry has wall climbing from 8:30 to 10. Nothing else going on that day. Oh, it is my aunt's birthday on the 4th. Is there a birthday sticker? No. So let's do pink one here. Just cover this 7. Okay, and then of course laundry Saturday night. I can't. Ooh, oh, I wrecked it. Darn, I crumpled the bottom of the page. Ugh, trying to take the stickers out and I crumpled the bottom of the page. Okay, so laundry. Where's all the laundry? Here we go. Why is laundry all the way back there? These ones are from Paper Bits Co., which I think are adorable. So laundry will probably do. Then laundry's kind of like this arbitrary time. It's just gonna get done whenever on Saturday. And then going to Sunday, which is normally our big cleaning day. I do kind of miss when I was able to do, finished a sticker sheet. I miss when our cleaning days weren't all on the Sunday. Cleaning. That because of my work shift, I was able to do cleaning basically whenever. Ugh. And when I say whenever, like throughout the week because of my work shift. There we go. So like I used to be able to clean the bathrooms on Mondays, vacuum on Tuesdays, you know, and spread them out throughout the week because my shift didn't start until 12:30. And I had a whole schedule of when I was doing what, but, well, I can't multitask. But when my schedule changed and then the kids were in school and things like that, I had to basically rework when we were doing everything. So This feels very, very plain, very basic, but I like it. So I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, I feel like I'm not gonna use any more of that. I could do the, you know what, I'll do the Hello Weekend. Just right across like that. I'm trying to use as much of the kit as I can. Shopping, mail, plan. I had a planning sticker. Oh, duh. Errands, work, family time. I will save those for the week. And then these will be used with the daily spread. So I'm going to put that to the side. Look at how many of these I have used. Like hardly any. And I think that is why going forward, when I'm going to be purchasing kits, I will probably maybe only purchase the daily kits. But even then, I don't know. But definitely the deco. So let's... I do want to save one of the trees. But there's this tree that I could place here. And then there's like little florals and things that I could place throughout this spread, which are beautiful. Yeah. And the thing is, I don't want to cover it too much because I know I will end up using the space. The coffee seems to warrant its own space. But I'm not going to use any of the moon phases because it's not something that I look at. So I think I've left myself with enough to fill in throughout the week should I need it. All right, but that is it for me. I know it feels very bare, but I'm looking forward to being able to see it once it's all done. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.